Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make this delicious no-bake blueberry dessert. This no-bake blueberry dessert is so delicious. It combines creamy blueberry pie filling with fresh blueberries over a buttery golden Oreo crust. And it's so easy to make and it'll satisfy everyone's sweet tooth. So let's get started. Here I have a package of Golden Oreos that we're going to be using for our crust. The size you would need for this recipe is a 4.3 ounce package, but when I went to the store, all they had was the family size. So if all you can find is family size as well, that's fine. Just remove about 36 Oreos and place them in a resealable Ziploc bag and crush them. They don't have to be crushed finely, some chunks are fine. And now I'm going to transfer the cookie crumbs into a mixing bowl. And I'm going to add 1 stick of melted butter. And I'm going to mix up everything until it's well combined. As you can see today, I have my little co-host Bradley waving to you guys. He's really excited that I'm making this and he's waiting patiently for the taste test. Now I'm transferring the cookie crumb mixture into an 8 by 12 inch baking dish, and you want to make sure to use something kind of similar to this size. I'm going to press down with my spoon here to form a nice even crust. Now that the crust is done, I'm going to place it in the refrigerator while I make the next layer of our no-bake dessert. In a bowl here, I have an 8 ounce bar of softened cream cheese. And to that, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. And I'm going to mix until everything is well combined. What I also love about this recipe is that I can mix everything by hand, no food processors, no electric mixers, easy peasy. Now I'm going to fold in a 21 ounce can of blueberry pie filling. I'm also going to add half a 6 ounce container of fresh blueberries. And I'm going to reserve the other half to top our dessert. I found that adding fresh blueberries to the blueberry pie filling kind of gives it that perfect blueberry flavor. I'm going to continue to fold everything gently so that I don't crush the blueberries. Now I'm going to fold in increments an 8 ounce container of Cool Whip. And this will give it a nice fluffy consistency. I just really love these no-bake desserts. I have a few of them on my channel and they're just so easy to whip up for holidays or gatherings. And I think Bradley agrees with me. He's having quite a bit of fun today. And now I'm going to spread the blueberry mixture over the graham cracker crust. I'm really digging this purple pastel color, which is nice because Easter is coming up. Now with a butter knife, I'm going to spread everything until it's nice and smooth. Also, if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe so that I can continue to share simple and delicious recipes with you guys. And lastly, we're going to top it off with the fresh blueberries that we reserved earlier. And I'm going to refrigerate this a few hours before serving, but you could also refrigerate this overnight. And that's the great thing about this recipe is you can make this the night before and you have one less thing to do the next day. And of course, it's going to taste just as good.
Blueberry. It's like blueberry pie, kind of. And then ready? Let's cheers first. Let's cheers. Cheers. Mmm. Yummy. Like it? Delicious. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to check out all my other no-bake dessert recipes. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.